All right, folks, pulling up to my next call here. I'm not sure if it's a no heat or a no cool, but let's see if we can get some footage.
Working fine.
Okay, just downstairs?
Yes.
Okay.
That's the control right there.
It's your thermostat right here? Okay. So you got it set for, what you usually keep it set for?
I usually like to keep it set for 78.
Okay. Okay, 79 in here now. So for now, I'm gonna put it at 74 just to turn it on.
Mm-hmm. Did you turn it to on?
Yes.
Okay, thank you.
And was it blowing anything at all, or was it warm air?
Yeah, it was blowing.
It was blowing, just warm. Okay. How I get to the attic? All right. So let me determine which is which. I turned it on at the thermostat, and the blower is not on. So I just heard the upstairs kick on. So that's the upstairs. So that's my unit over there. I'm gonna pause and go get a meter. Well, all I brought was my drill. See electricity, so let me go get a meter. That's on how we can troubleshoot it. Make sure we got power. All right, so I got my tool bag and my meter, and we're gonna take our time troubleshoot this. But the lady said that it hasn't been cooling for several weeks, but she went out on vacation or something. But it wasn't cooling, but I don't think it's been cooling or heating. So we do got power though. See, this door didn't have a glass door. So we do got, may had a delay on the thermostat, but the blower motor and everything does kick in, so we're gonna take it outside. And I did hear the condenser also. I did hear refrigerant flowing, so we may just have a refrigerant problem. I got it buttoned up. Probably had a delay at the thermostat, but it did just kick on. But I thought I heard refrigerant the first time. I'm not getting anything now. You see, it needs to be taped up better. No refrigerant flow at all. Take that up. All right, y'all, so we got a blower with no condenser. All right, still good enough weather. We're in November. Still good enough weather to get in the pool down south. All right. So I'm gonna guess it's this old tank right here. That dry leaking. Got to go ahead and get a modern serial number. Take a picture of it. All right, so this is a, what year is this? Manufacture date 2000. Five ton. There. See what kind of power we got. As you can see, the contactor is not pulled in. So I'm going to contact is not pulled in. Let's see. I wonder if there's something going on with that thermostat. Maybe a cooling delay, because I thought I heard that cooling come on at one time. It's not calling for cool. Got 230 out here. Alright. Alright, so I'm gonna go to the thermostat and see what it's doing. I'm gonna go ahead and hook some gauges up first, just to make sure we got some refrigerant pressure up in here. Well, if they fooled me once, shame on somebody. But I just want to make sure we got fresh. I thought I heard that thing come on at one time. Compressor cold. Nah, see what I'm saying? This thing is completely flat. This thing is completely flat. I'm not gonna do a leak search either. 20 years old, we're gonna replace it. See, I would have been chasing my tail. It's completely flat, no refrigerant. I'm not gonna put no R22 in here. We're supposed to get down, it's 70 degrees today. But we're supposed to get down to, supposed to get down about 40 degrees, so. They'll be out to the next couple of days until we ready to get back in and change this out. Put a new condenser in, a new evaporator coil. Like I say, it's completely flat. So I'm just gonna get modern serial number. I'm trying to see how I'm gonna get a unit back here. I'll cross over this. So I'm gonna take out this fence, roll it right through here. I can do all that myself. I can put the fence back. All I gotta do is just take this one, this post, that bottom post, and knock out 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, however many boards I need to. But yeah, this thing completely flat, 20 years old, R22 system. Gotta replace it. Alright folks, thanks for watching. Maybe I'll get some video of this install.